This is a DeWALT DCM200 band file. This is an interesting little tool and one that I had wondered about for a long time before I finally took the plunge a year ago and bought it. I've used this thing for a year and I gotta say, this is way more useful than I thought it would be. This little band file, I thought I was gonna have one particular case where I wanted to use this to get in on some stuff. And I've actually found a ton of uses for it. I've used it on wood, I've used it on metal. It's a pretty versatile little tool, a little band file, a little belt sander, whatever you want to call it. This thing's pretty versatile. It's got a speed adjustment on it. I haven't had to replace the little belt, the sanding belt yet, but I probably will. It does have an adjustment depending on how you need to use it. There it's going straight forward, and I can then go and turn it down as well. So a pretty good utility there. It has this nice handle on it for, holding it up on something and getting in. It's a good tool. The light's adjustable, adjustable speed. I really like it. If you're thinking you might have a use for it, well then you probably do, because I didn't think I had that much use for it and I found uses for it. So if you're looking to pick up something and you already have a bunch of DeWALT tools and you need something else to buy because you bought everything else, go ahead and check this out. It's a great little tool. It's very useful, and your chances are you're going to find more uses for it than you think you will. Alrighty, well, if you found this useful, if you found this interesting, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. That helps the algorithm connect up these videos with viewers like you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.